Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best phone line extender on the market, the Uvital phone extension cord, available in a 33-foot length. If you've ever struggled with placing your landline phone, fax machine, or modem just where you want it, this extension cord might be exactly what you need. The Uvital phone extension cord stands out because of its high-quality construction. It features a durable white PVC outer cover that protects the cable from everyday wear and tear, ensuring that it lasts for a long time. Inside, the cord is built with pure copper cores, specifically 100% 26 Aruban Florins copper wires, rather than the more common copper-clad steel. This means the cord offers superior conductivity and less signal loss, which results in clearer calls and reliable connections. On each end of the cable, you'll find standard RJ11 plugs, making it compatible with most telephones, fax machines, modems, and answering machines that use the typical telephone jack. The set also includes an inline coupler, which lets you connect two cables if you need an even longer extension, without having to buy an entirely new cable. This is a handy feature if your setup requires flexibility or adjustments over time. The cable comes with 20 adhesive cable clips. These small accessories are perfect for managing your cords around desks, walls, or furniture, helping to keep your space neat and safe by preventing tangled cables. It's a simple addition but one that shows Uvital's attention to detail in making installation easy and organized. Measuring 33 feet, this extension cord gives you plenty of length to reposition your phone or other devices far from the wall jack without worrying about losing connection quality. Whether you're setting up a home office, a fax station, or just want the freedom to move your phone, this cord offers both reliability and convenience. Overall, the Uvital phone extension cord balances durability, excellent electrical performance, and ease of use. Its gold-plated contacts on the RJ11 plugs enhance the connection and reduce corrosion over time, which keeps your communications clear and uninterrupted. If you're looking for a phone line extender that's built to last, offers great signal quality, and comes with practical extras like cable clips and an inline coupler, this Uvital extension cord is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.